Can Turbo meme coin still go to the moon in 2025? In this video, we're going to talk about Turbo price analysis. You decide for yourself. What do you think about that? We're gonna look on the big picture, which is the most important to analyze big trends and macro trends for the coin. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, guys. Leave a comment. What do you think about Turbo? Also, get yourself a Bitunix account with the link below if you trade from the US, Canada, Australia. Stop trading on Coinbase or all the rubbish popular exchanges. Try Bitunix, the cheapest trading fees ever. This is the best exchange I've been using the last 8 years, been trading crypto. This is the best. They also give you USDT bonuses and amazing gift. Check it out, man. Link below. This is the turbo chart, okay? Look, turbo chart, we start big picture, okay? Let's look on this. You can see this moving average. This is the 50-week moving average. This is very important moving average. Very important moving average. Very important. Below it, bad things happen. Above it, fairy tale. Okay, above it, bullish land, bull market. This is a moving average that tell you the big picture trend. The big picture trend. If you're bullish on a coin and it's below the 50-week, that's not good. You want to see the coin above the 50-week MA, closing above the 50-week MA, and you want to see the 50-week MA sloping up, just like it was going here, sloping up. You want to see it sloping up because below it, it's not good. If it will slope down, that's going to open the gate for maybe even a bear market. So this is the 50-week. Let's look on the monthly first. Let's look on the momentum if we have. This is a actually young chart turbo. You see momentum on the monthly going down. Okay, not good. Okay, not good. Weekly, 2 weekly. Okay, this is the 2-week chart. It's going up. Okay, this is good. Okay, you have the 2-week chart momentum going up. All right, we'll see this candle will close in 11 days. Watch this signal here. If it's it crossing down, that could be bad. Okay, that could be bad. If you see it keep going up, that's good. Okay, that's good. That means it's getting momentum and we're probably going higher. But you wanna see it. We will see the cross, not the cross. We will see the signal printed in another 11 days. Let's look at the weekly chart. Now, weekly is a totally different picture. Okay, look at the weekly, man. Okay, look at this. Look at this stochastic here. We have bearish divergence. You have a lower high and a higher high. Okay, this wick here, you know, the price went all the way to 7 something, and that was the peak around 6 something. Okay, so you can see it made higher high, but the momentum is going lower. That's bearish divergence. Okay, that's not good. Okay, that's not good. Now, it might not play out. It might have another. Sorry about that. It might have another move up. Okay, let's say, and it will negate the divergence. Okay, and it will continue. All right, but at the moment you have bearish divergence. If it takes that low around the 2.7-ish area, that's not good. Okay, that's not good. It probably means it's gonna retest that low, and then it's a big problem. Okay, we're gonna talk about it later. But at the moment, you want to see it holding above this level. All right, and you have bearish divergence, which is not a good sign. All right, let's look on the daily chart. Moving averages. All right, so look, turbo. This is turbo daily chart. Okay, let me show you what we're talking about here. So look, you can see it is above the 200-day. That's the green line. Okay, and sloping. It started to go to flat line a bit. Now you want to see it bouncing above it. Okay, you want to see it bouncing above it ASAP and above the 50. Sorry, the 50 is the red line. And, you know, holding here and squeezing here. You don't want to see price dumping down below the 200 now. And again, take that low, because that will be another lower high, you know, lower high type of a scenario, lower low and another lower low. And it's not good. Okay, we don't want that. All right. So this is pretty much, you know, what I'm watching for turbo at the moment, man. I'll tell you something. Okay, if you look back, big picture, yeah, let's look on the weekly again. This coin, all right, it had an insane bull run insanity in 2023, end of 2023, it started and it topped so far here with a double top type of a candle here, double top type of a structure, which is not good, which is toppy. Okay, now this coin went up 240x. Okay, that's a lot. All right, now can it go higher? Can it pump higher? Absolutely. Absolutely. If Bitcoin will continue, if we get an alt season, absolutely. But you want to be careful. You want to be careful because these coins that already had their market cycle, they already had their moment in the sun, they usually not getting another moment in the sun. Okay. They maybe get a little moment, a fake out and coming back down. Okay. So you really don't want to be, again, my 2 cents. This is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice. This pure entertainment. Just my 2 cents, man. Turbo, it's not gonna be a banger in my opinion in the next couple of months, into the end of the cycle. In my opinion, I might be completely wrong, because it already had a huge market cycle. A huge market cycle. That means the likelihood of it getting another one like this, like the clowns and the moon boy from the woods is telling you that it's going to go nuclear, blah, blah, blah. Well, the moon boy from the woods is always wrong. Okay, so it's also an indicator, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. And remember, this is a meme coin. These are the highest risk assets in crypto, meme coins. They also the highest potential reward, but you need to be careful, investing in them, especially after it had its market cycle. You want to be investing, if you're an investor, in coins that look like here, okay, or here in an uptrend, okay. You don't want to be investing once you have a big top here and potentially lower high and bearish divergence. That's my 2 cents, man. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, let me show you a trade we took. Meanwhile, the community, man, join VIP. Look at this trade, AIOT. We bought it at August 7th. Price was 43 cents, and we double up at 46. Look at AIOT. Turbo is doing jack shit, okay? It's just doing nothing, man. Look at this coin. Look at AIOT. That was our entry here. Look at this entry here, 43 and 46, okay? This is a young, new coin. It had no market cycle. That's why it exploded, okay? You see here, went up 400% from our first entry, from our second entry, 300%. This is no joke, man. Really, we invite you. This is how how people, how crypto traders roll. Okay, they trade the winners. Turbo was a winner. Now it's not a winner, man. It's just not a winner. It's not getting the love. It's not getting the liquidity, the whales money. It's not. And you need to roll with the market. People that are not rolling with the market, they're just gonna get cooked in crypto. Many people are not gonna make money. They're gonna lose everything this cycle. This cycle is not a regular crypto cycle. It's a much more hostile for altcoins, because you have tons of altcoins out there. They printed so much altcoins out there, so the capital available for buying these altcoins is getting smaller, because you have so much coins that regular people, retail money come to the market. You have like 10,000 coins. So the capital, instead of going to 1,000 coins, it's going to 10, 20, maybe more coins. And they're always printing more and more coins. So that takes capital from your favorite coin. And especially if the coin already had a moment of sunshine in 2024, had a huge run. It was the best mover in 2024. Turbo was the best mover in 2024. We traded it, we nailed it. It was an amazing trade. But remember, the best movers, usually, again, a lot of time, they will become the biggest losers once they top out. That's how crypto roll. We invite you guys, join our VIP, scan the QR code. You have 25% off with the coupon code SummerSale25. Join us, man. This is the best time to join the membership. We have amazing trade alerts coming. Even if we break bearish, we have short. We short the market. When the next time Bitcoin bounce, we're gonna long the market, long. Man, this is the best time to join the VIP. By the way, if you trade with 6-digit, trade with large amount, check out our elite membership. This is the top membership tier where you get personal one-on-one coaching calls, unlimited access to me and to Jomo. We give you the best service in the world. We teach you actually everything we know. This is the highest tier, the best service. Check it out. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.